So that was just a little look back at some previous jobs carried out by myself. I know this video is a little bit different than what I normally do, but I am trying to be consistent with the uploads, and jobs that I'm working on, sometimes it's not always possible to film. They're just not the right environment. So I just put that together to keep the content coming. Hopefully you did enjoy it. Please let me know in the comment section what you thought of it. And there's lots more exciting things to come. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at @SOBLeadworks. For inquiries, you can email sobleadworks@gmail.com. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.